Loving heart and true, and to thee we join thy glorious name we sing. With hearts leaping we pledge our faith in you. Hail to thee, our endeared alma mater, who caressed us in our tender years, who caressed us in our tender years. Oh, long live our alma mater, for her spirit shall shine ever. She's truly our dear mother. Her spirit shall bless us true, shall be our guide through all the years. In the golden days of our youth, you have taught us to love the truth, like spiritual, like noble virtue. It's you, our dear alma mater. You have given the love of a mother. With thee we pledge, we'll all remember all the sweet days we had with you. And though we part from thy love dawn, we shall hold dear thy memory. Thy name shall glisten in glory, our dear alma mater. Thy name shall glisten in glory, our dear